Helen at sa mga dati naming guro, inaanyayahan ko po kayong lahat na magsiuwi at bumisita sa ating paaralan na naging pangalawang tahanan na nating lahat sa napakahabang panahon. Kami po, na High School Batch 1987, ay naghanda ng isang napakasayang piyesta para sa ating lahat. Aasahan po namin kayo sa Sabado sa Stella Maris College Covered Court.
Doon at ngayon, saan man sa mundo, Stella mo!
Hi, I'm Gary V, and I want to congratulate Stella Maris College, Batch 87 for their Silver Jubilee. And I'm so proud and honored to have been a part of all of this, well, through my songs. Keep on listening to it, and I hope that it continues to encourage not just Batch 87, but all the others who will be celebrating their 25th anniversary very soon. But right now, it's Batch 87. Congratulations. God bless you all.